What's up, engineer kid? What we doing today? We're about to
What's up, EK gang? We're back and better with Engineer Kid Family TV. Hey guys, welcome back to the EK channel. Today I'm with Faith, and she is going through her new hair journey. So Faith is 4 months old, and we're trying to grow her hair. I know there's videos out there that state that, that their hair will grow on their own, but I found some natural ways to help Faith grow her hair. Please stay tuned and watch the videos from beginning to end. And we hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. So in the morning, I usually take a aloe vera plant and I rub it in her hair until all of the oils are kind of like that's Faith in the bat talking. She knows that I'm doing a video and she's like, why the camera's not on me? But I take the aloe vera plant and I rub it all over her head to get some of the old residue products in her hair. So let me show you how I do that. So I take a piece like this and I just rub it all over her hair. As you can see, this is the part that needs some love because it's really thin right there. So she's really good about letting me cleanse her scalp. After I'm done cleaning her scalp, I use a little of coconut oil to put in her hair to bring the moisture back. She really likes that because it moistures her scalp from any irritation. I love a piece there to kind of moisture that. Then I go in with her coconut oil to bring the moisture back. And as you can see, this is called organic virgin coconut oil, and it's really good for moisturizing her hair, her body, and things like that. I take a little right here and I put it in the palms of my hand and rub it together, and then I'm going to apply it to her scalp. All over like this. After that, I go in with Shea Moisture Baby Conditioner and I apply that on her hair. Just a dime size is all that's needed of this product, and then I'm going to brush. So stay tuned to see the end results. This is all you need. This is all you need. And I'm applying all over her hair to moisturize it. I'm applying it all over her hair to moisturize her hair and bring back her curls. Sometimes I like to get straight. Sometimes we like to do a straight look because it works better on her hair. Just brush her hair. As you can see, she has really cute hair. Sometimes it curls, but today she's gonna wear a straight look. And I'm not gonna put a headband on because I know that headbands really put a lot of tension on her head. I've noticed it will break her hair off really bad. So I try not to put any kind of bows on unless she's taking a quick picture or a video. And I normally get her bonnet. It's a satin cap. I realized that it was too big when I bought it for her when she was a newborn baby, but her head is growing appropriately, and so it's starting to fit But I love to use a sand cap afterwards to lock in that moisture. You can hear Faith in the back. She's like super excited about her videos. Uh-oh. This is Faith in her bonnet. She's going to be in about 20 minutes to lock in that moisture. She just loves making videos, guys. She's so alert. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe and watch to the end because I have some end screens that will show you to the next video. Guys, we love you. Peace out.